Hey, this is Sean Wilkins with Fairview Lending. Wanted to talk a little bit today about FHA loans. FHA loans are the most popular loan for first-time home buyers, but you don't have to be a first-time home buyer to qualify for an FHA loan. The great thing about FHA loans is they require only a 3.5% down payment, which is among the lowest of any loan type. They have better interest rates than conventional loans, and they allow for a little bit more challenged credit and a little bit more debt to income ratio. So you can have a couple more bills, you can have a little bit lower credit score, and you can still qualify for an FHA loan. Another great thing about them, they allow for up to 6% on seller contribution. So if you're one of those buyers that want to get the seller to pay your closing costs and you're not putting a lot down, FHA loans usually the way to go. We can talk more about this as we get more in depth with your loan approval, but that's just a little FHA loans at a glance for you.